Alright guys, how's it going? Dutchman Games here. Today we're going to work on retargeting our animations and adding sounds to our walking character right here. So yeah, let's get right into it. Alright, so in this episode we have to download this Mega Spear animation pack, a free pack that Infected Fury has posted. Thank you so much for that. These are a lot of cool animations with a spear, and some of these animations are actually perfect for our spell casting animations, and we will actually change those as we go along. So we'll adjust them a little bit to make them fit our character a little bit better, but these will be great base animations to use in our game. So I'm going to add these to the project. So what you want to do is, I downloaded the Spear Animations v2. I showed you in the beginning of the video how to get those. They're free, and I have my own character set up as well. So what you need to do is you need to go to the Spear Animations v2 mannequin character mesh, and then find the skeleton. You also need to get the skeleton of your own character that you want the animations to be on. So what's very important is that they have the same pose. So in standard Unreal Engine fashion, it'll be in a V pose, like that. It could also be a T pose, but T pose is usually for Unity. So when you see a T pose character, it has to be reposed to the V pose, otherwise it will look really weird. Next to that, you need to make sure that your animations are Unreal Engine 4, Unreal Engine 5 mannequin compatible, which is usually something that's set in the animation details, and then also it has to be rigged to Unreal Engine. So with that out of the way, let's get our character. And what you want to do, I already have set everything, right? So I'm just going to show you how I did it, but usually I only have these animations, and these are all new. So what you want to do here is you want to go to the Retarget Manager. You want to click on Add New, and you want to click on the target that your character is. So in this case, the Necrom skeleton character. And then you want to manage compatible skeletons. You want to add a skeleton, and here you want to select the skeleton of the spear asset. So in this case, it's not this one, it's not this one, it's this one. It's the Spear Animations v2 mannequin character mesh. You add this, and then you want to go to the mannequin mesh. And in this case, you have the mannequin skeleton. You want to go to the Retarget Manager. You want to do the same thing, but the other way around. So here you want to add new, and then select this skeleton, so the correct one, and then add a skeleton, and then select the Necrom skeleton, or the other, the skeleton that you want the animations to go to. All right. Now, what you want to do is you want to find the animations of the ones that you want to move to your main character. So in this case, the spear animations. And I'm going to show you with one animation. So what you want to do is you want to select all the animation you want to do. So it could be literally all of them, or it could be just one. You want to right click, go to Retarget Animations right here, and then you get this screen, and then you want this to not change. So this is the source skeletal mesh, and now you want the target to be the character you want it to move to, right? And then you want to select the animations you want to move. So you could select all of them, or you could select literally all of them. In this case, I won't be moving all these blend spaces over, so I unclick those. But let's say we just take this one, and then you want to click on Export Animations, and then it's going to tell you where do you want to export them. So I actually made a little folder for this. It's called Animations Retargeted, and then you want to click on Export, and then you want to just keep this the exact way it is, and there you go. And now we have a new animation for our main character. And they should all work. Some of them might look a little weird because, it might not have the exact same bones as the other skeleton has, because this skeleton has much more bones. So if some of these animations are moving the ring finger, the pinky finger, or whatever, like some of these bones that this character might not have, because I only have a left hand, I can't actually move my fingers. Then that won't happen, so it might look weird sometimes. But you can kind of choose the ones that look kind of cool, and now you can play with a lot more animations. So we have all these animations now for our game, and I actually don't like the walk animation that I had set previously. So maybe we can change that later. But yeah, that's basically how it works. Open up your character. I actually found some sound effects that I want to use. Some of these I've made myself. Some of them I got from Zapsplat, which is a site where you can download sound effects for free. So I have turned these into WAV files, which is important because MP3 files don't work. And I have 3 footsteps here, and I'm going to use those to make footstep sound effects. So there's in Unreal Engine, there's also a lot of footsteps systems that are free to use and you can use and all that stuff. I like to make all the sound effects custom or get them, outside of Unreal. But you can totally just use Unreal Engine stuff as well if you have them or if you want to use those. So that's completely fine. But for now, we have 3. We have these. So what you want to do is you want to take a sound wave, create a cue. So cue is actually like a combination of stuff. So footsteps, cue. Open up the cue. And you want to copy this 3 times. Copy the footsteps 3 times. This one is footsteps B. This one is footstep C. Right, so these were the 3 footsteps I had. You could also just grab them and do that. But because I only have one screen to show you guys, I want to keep it all in one screen. So now what you want to do is you want to put it through modulator, put it through random. Oh, the other way around, sorry. Put it through a randomizer, so random sound, and then put it through a modulator, and then the output. The modulator will actually randomize the sound even more by changing the pitch and the volume. So this is what we'll use for our footsteps. As you can see, it's 3 different footstep sounds, and that will cause a little bit of a uniqueness in walking. So now we need the walking animation, and we need the run 3 animation. Also have running, but I don't like the way this one looks, so that's why we have run 3. So you want to go to these 2 types of animations of your project. You won't have this model because this model is custom made and unique, made with AI Meshy. So you want to be sure to select your right animation, but this will work for you as well. So what you want to do is you want to find the exact moment where he steps down, or she, or they. And here you want to insert notify track. Or actually, there's already one in there. Oh, that's nice. Right mouse button, add notify, play sound. This will be, so go to details here, footsteps, cue. Find the next one, copy this over, put one here. Now look at this. Perfect, right? Now it'd be even cooler if we add a little bit of smoke or dust, but we don't have those assets yet. So we can't do that yet, but you could add that as well. For running, the same thing. It will actually run right at the start. So right here, put a footstep right there, and then that's it. All right, let's play. We have our sounds. All right, so now we want to maybe tone it down a little bit, right? So I want to up the pitch by 1.3 and the volume by maybe make it 0.3 or something. Pitch a little bit higher so it's a little bit nicer to listen to. It's still quite loud. So let's make it 0.1. It's just too loud, you know. There we go. Hope you guys enjoyed this episode. I had to combine two video ideas into one because otherwise it would be way too short. So hope you guys enjoyed this. In the next episode, we're going to look at attacks and magic spells and animations that has to go with that. So we had to get this done in order to use those animations for the next episode. So hope you guys enjoyed. Please leave a like and subscribe if you did. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers.